Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can view your object from different angles. So let's jump right into the video and let me show you what you have to do. And also, if this video will help you, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate that. And now what you have to do, what we have to do is to enable quad view. And we can do this simply from here, view, area, and toggle quad view. Okay, or we can also use the shortcut Control Alt Q, Control Alt Q, right? Okay, so let's try the shortcut as well, Control Alt Q. Okay, works. So I hope you learned something. If you learned something, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And if you have any suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. I forgot to add something in this video. If you press N on your keyboard, you go to view, and then here you have quad view, and here you have couple of options. Okay, so just so you know, yeah.